Good morning. We're out here walking Sammy. First things first. Today we're going to the big tent. So we are gonna hear the dogs barking. I heard a bird that I'd not ever heard before, but I couldn't get the camera on fast enough. But we're gonna go to the big tent today. Gonna eat our favorite corn dogs. Yeah. Since we didn't do Tyson Wells this year, we're actually being tourists and doing all the tourist things like the big tent. So we are gonna go in early again this morning, leave about 7:30 so we can get a good parking place. I'm gonna do draw with me at 10 and cook us some breakfast. I need to cook Sammy's food. We'll see if that gets done this morning. That might happen tomorrow. But yeah. So it's another beautiful day here in Quartzsite, Arizona. So we made it to Tyson Wells and we got a great parking spot. There's the game store. So we're on the end here. And Deborah's gonna do an interview of Russ today. And he will be in the game store. So we're in a perfect spot. I am cleaning my skillet because I'm gonna make breakfast. Save some money. Don't do the show breakfast. Yeah, we did that yesterday. Need to clean it, and then I'm gonna make some bacon. And I don't know what, if we're having bacon and eggs with toast or a burrito. I guess we'll see. Can you get any work done?
It's a little bit difficult. No.
Sammy says,
I'm in reservations. She's about to book us around the world.
yeah, book us a trip, Sammy. Now we're RV shopping. I don't like this at all. Bathroom. Oh, there's the bed.
I don't know where they moved to.
Just weird. It's just weird.
So this one you have to make up your bed every time also. Oh, so you can have two beds. What? Holy crap.
Yeah, $82,000.
Holy crap.
For what?
Phoenix looks better every day.
Yeah, isn't she? Yeah. Yeah, I know. Well, at least that's somewhat sturdy. I just don't like it, new RVs. All right, we want to see a Brinkley.
Models according to Maxine. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here.
Hello. Three burner. This one's only $69,000.
So when I first got a bumper pull, I hung hooks on the wall for my coats. And I had it all into the fridge and cooking.
Yeah, look at that freezer. It's a
Nice.
chest freezer. This is the Model Z.
Well, this is the
Air 310.
This is the Model Z with 3 pullouts. The Model Z looks good. Look, it's got 3 pullouts too. So it's got that one on that side, that one. And then it'll have the one like this.
102,000. I like this layout better. You have a desk.
Steps are brutal.
You got a
What'd you
desk.
say?
I like this layout better because you got a 2-person desk, recliners,
Oh, a
couch.
two-person. Fireplace.
Yeah. It's got to open this way. So it's got the hinge right there. Those don't open. Oh.
Got to be for TV.
Maybe it's automatic, like it's a
Yeah.
remote.
I think so.
An island sink, yeah. Look at this pantry.
And I love that it doesn't step up. Oh, that's not good.
Clear return air screen.
Behind a door?
Yeah. Bathroom.
Nice shower head.
Big square thing. Big bedroom. Yeah, this would be more like a park model.
I could live in this with you guys. Check out the shower head.
That's kind of cool.
But
Shoe
where
rack.
is the linen storage?
In here.
There's none.
It's all in here.
Oh, that's not cool.
All the storage.
Well, it's got lots of storage, but I want linen storage.
Oh, this is where you put washer and dryer. This is the washer and dryer hookups.
Hello. I love the windows, so they're TV. I don't watch TV. That's the washer and dryer.
Yeah, you can get washer and dryer put in because the hookups are back there.
Cool. I like this model.
Yeah. Yeah, this one's made a little better. The big tent. All right, we did the big tent in about 20 minutes. Is that what you think?
Yeah, 20 or less.
Yeah. I don't need nothing in there.
Oops, there's the wind. I did see a hummingbird feeder that guaranteed no ants, no bees, but I'm too far out away from home to get it, but I saw look it up online one day. But that was about it.
Yep.
Somebody asked Jana, do you have any pain? And she pointed to me.
That's not true. I couldn't think that fast. No. All right, we're at the world best corn dogs ever. There's a corn dog with honey drizzled on it, mustard, ketchup.
And last night also, I said, I told her, I said,